Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I come with a new video by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary, and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any video that I'm going to post in the future. So let's begin. Hyper INU. Welcome to Hyper Ecosystem. Hyper INU is going to be the governance token which will allow its holders to vote on decisions pertaining to the decentralized finance DeFi protocol. Our vision is to take Hyper INU's market cap MC to 100M USD by Q3 of 2022. White paper and BSC scan. I'll show them at the end of the video. Diamond member pre-sale will start within 14 hours, 26 minutes and 15 seconds. It will start from 1st of November on 2021 and will end in 8th of November 2021. Join pre-sale. Hyper Ecosystem. Hyper gaming platform that will facilitate multiple free and paid play to earn games. We are currently in a phase of brainstorming where ideas are being shared and discussed. This platform will have multiplayer PvP battle, farming, real-time strategy and puzzle games. Hyperswap. The Hyperswap will allow traders to swap their BEP20 and ERC20 tokens for another while maintaining the full custody of their tokens. HyperCEX. HyperCEX is going to be centralized exchange with stocking and launchpad mechanism. Hyperwallet. The safe and secure decentralized wallet which will support Ethereum and Binance Mainnet as well as testnet. Users can store their precious coins seamlessly. Token allocation. 40% token sale program, 30 THP, 27% burn, 20.25 THP, 16% team and founders, 12 T hype, and 10% reserve fund, 7.5 HPE, 7% marketing, 5.25 THPE. So token sale program, this is a pie chart. So to 20.25 T Hyper INU will be burned in 5 events. Token sold program, burn, team and founders, reserve fund and marketing. So now event 1, 4.05 T Hyper, 10th November 2021. Event 2, 4.05 T Hyper, 30th November 2021. Event 3, 4.05 T Hyper, 20th of December 2021. Event 4, 4.05 T Hyper, 10th Jan 2022. Event 5, 4.05 T Hyper, 30th Jan 2022. Roadmap. Our team will be continuously striving to complete the planned roadmap for this project. We need support from our community to make Hyper INU a leading cryptocurrency. White paper. Hyper INU birth, website launch, pre-sale, PancakeSwap listing on Lay token, listing on HotIBit, and listing on Bitmart, listing on xt.com, Hyperswap, Hyper Launchpad, Hyper Wallet, listing on Binance. Pre-sale program for our valuable investors. Diamond member pre-sale. Pre-sale price is very less, 0.00000004 pre-sale quantity 10 T Hyper. Pre-sale start date 1st November 2021. Pre-sale end date 8th November 2021. Platinum member pre-sale price is $0.00000045. Pre-sale quantity 8 T Hyper. Pre-sale start date 9th of November 2021. Pre-sale end date 15th of November 2021. Golden member pre-sale price $0.0000000005. Pre-sale quantity 60 Hyper. Pre-sale start date 16 November 2021 and pre-sale end date 20th November 2021. Silver member pre-sale price $0.0000000055. Pre-sale quantity 60 Hyper. Pre-sale start date 21st November 2021. Pre-sale end date 25th November 2021. PancakeSwap listing date of listing 25th November 2021 and listing price is $0.000001. To avoid volatility during the listing, we have kept the pre-sale price and listing price with reasonable differences. This will protect the interest of investors in all programs. During each pre-sale program, there will be rewards for our investors. Follow us on our Twitter handle for more details. Exchange listings coming soon. Hotbit, Bitmart, LAT token, xt.com, the world's first social infused exchange. Security audits expected by 6th to 7th November 2021. And Xcard. This is our contract address. You can also follow us on Twitter and you can also join our group on Telegram so you get to know more about us. Now, white paper. So This is how the white paper looks like. First, introduction. HyperINU is a blockchain smart contract built on Binance PEP20 protocol. HyperINU is going to build the entire ecosystem with one umbrella of Hyper. Under this ecosystem, we will be building a revolutionizing hyper gaming platform which will enable users to play and earn at the same time. This platform will have multiplayer PvP battle game, farm game, real-time strategy game, puzzle game, and many more. Apart from this, HyperSwap will allow traders to swap their BEP20 and YASI20 tokens coins for another while maintaining full custody of their tokens or coins. HyperCEX is going to be the centralized crypto exchange with launchpad and stocking mechanism. HyperWallet, safe and secure decentralized wallet which will support Ethereum and Binance Mainnet as well as testnet tokens. Users can store their precious tokens, coins seamlessly. Disclaimer. HyperINU, including but not limited to the overall project website, smart contracts, and any apps, games as presented in this conceptual paper is not a licensed, unlicensed, or exempted financial or payment service of any kind and in any jurisdiction. Any terminology used in this white paper on website is intended only as basic reference without any active or legal meaning of the same terms in a regulated and financial and does not have owners, stakeholder, promoters, marketers, managers, directors, or other figures or entities exerting any form of a governance. HyperINU smart contracts are open source, permanent, and non-modifiable, and in any way, the HyperINU token is strictly a utility token in all jurisdictions and cannot be considered as security or otherwise regulated token of any kind. The rest you can read when you'll reach the official site from the link in the description. Tokenomics: name HyperINU, symbol HPE, initial supply is 75,000 T decimals 9, and this is the contract address which you can copy and share. Blockchain: Binance Smart Chain, BEP20 transaction fees, tax nil. Token allocation: 40% token sale program, 27% burn, 16% team and founders, 10% reserve fund, 7% marketing. Burning plan: 20.25 T per Hyper will be burned in 5 events. So, and I have told you about the events before. This is how the pre-sale program looks like. I have also read this for you. I've also read the roadmap, and this is the vision. Our team is completely dedicated to make this happen within the stipulated timeline. The best way to achieve this target is by completing the planned activities in roadmap with the support of our community. We are confident that we will achieve this target. How to buy HyperINU? You will be required BNB in your wallet to buy HPE, and this is the official link. For Trust Wallet users, open the app, copy and paste above mentioned link in search bar, click on Buy HPE button, connect to your wallet, fill the HPQTY you wish to buy, press Buy Now. For MetaMask users, ensure you have added the Binance Smart Chain main network. If not, then follow the steps. Open Settings window in MetaMask, click Network, click Add Network, fill details mentioned in image, click Save. You have successfully added the network. Select the added network from the network list. Post that, open browser window in MetaMask. Follow the steps mentioned for Trust Wallet users. Thank you. So now moving back, BSC scan. So this is BSC scan holders 31 address. If you wanna buy, so you can see this when you'll reach this site by the link in the description. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from my video, so do subscribe to my channel, share this video as much as you can so other people might know about this, and like, share, comment. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.